Hi folks, welcome to my video on which are the terms used in leveling. So let's start. The first thing, one of the term used is level surface. Is a surface parallel to the mean spheroidal surface of the earth. It is a surface which is parallel to the mean spheroidal surface of the earth. Every point on level surface is equal to distance from the center of the earth. So every point of the level surface is equal distance from the center of the earth will be taken. And the second thing is reduced level, or RL we can say. So reduced level of any point is the height or depth of that point. Means what is the height or depth of the particular point above or below any datum. It doesn't matter it's above datum or below datum. It is also known as a elevation of the point. So third is line of collimation. Collimation means the colliding effect actually. Colliding or intersecting things. So imaginary line joining intersection of crosshairs at diaphragm to the optical center of the object glass and its continuation. It also called the line of sight. LOS is the horizontal when bubble is in the center. So line of collimation also sight is also called when the bubble is in the center, you can fix that. And other thing is back sight. It is a staff reading taken on a point of non-reduced level RL as on a benchmark or change point. It is a first staff reading taken after the level is set up and leveled. So backside it will be the first staff reading we are taking and according to a benchmark. So everything starts with a benchmark. From that point only we have move further. So going on to the next page. So just lift. Okay, other thing is the fifth one is the intermediate sight or IS. It is any reading other than foresight and backside taken on a point of unknown RL from the same setup of the level. It is taken between foresight and backside. So it is clearly mentioned that it is any reading other than foresight and backside. And it is taken in between foresight and backside. You can see this is a backside point. And this is a intermediate sight reading actually, and this is a foresight reading. So it is taken in between backside and foresight. So intermediate sight reading we can say. It can easily make out from the figure. And the sixth one is a foresight. It is a staff reading taken on a point whose reduced level is to be determined. For determining the reduced level, it is a staff reading taken on a point. It is a last staff reading taken before shifting of the level. Before shifting the level, it will be the last reading which will be taken. And the seventh one is height of the instrument. Okay. Height of the instrument is the elevation or reduced level of a line of collimation when the instrument is correctly level. It's simple. Height of instrument is the elevation of reduced line only. Benchmark. It is a fixed reference point of known elevation. So benchmarking means you have to put something as a fixed thing. So that is known as benchmark. Focusing. It means to set the eyepiece and the object glass at proper distance. The focus of objective and that of the eyepiece must be coincide with the crosshair of the diaphragm. That is a condition you have to follow. And 10th one and the last one is the change point. It is the intermediate staff station on which two sides, foresight and backside, are taken, and it is used for the purpose of changing the position of the level. Change point means it is already the meaning in the heading itself. It is the purpose of changing the position of the level this particular point is taken. And these are the different types of terms which we are used in the leveling. So I hope you understand the basics of the terms which we will be using for leveling. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.